Today we're testing our dog's IQ and seeing who's the smartest with the help of our new dog puzzle IQ toy. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need. Inside the box, you can find your manual, an extra flappy, and a loading funnel. And of course, we can't forget your dog puzzle toy. No assembly required. On the bottom, you can remove the pad covers to reveal some anti-skid rubber pads to hold your dog's toy in place. On top, you have 12 little treat or food cups. Fill them up with the funnel, and then as your dog snuffs the containers around, the treats will fall into the hole where they can open the next compartment and find their treats. You can also remove some of the cups to make it easier to move around and get the treat. The more cups, the more treats, but also more difficult. And that's everything. All you need are some high-value treats and a dog to teach how to use it. For our first time using it, we loaded it up with little bits of their favorite treats and removed one of the flaps. This way, they could see the treat fall and understand how it works. At first, they tried licking at the treats and slurping them out of the containers. Sometimes, they were able to get them through the holes, but they knew there had to be an easier way. So I pretended I was a dog and showed them the full process a couple times. Within minutes, our youngest husky had it figured out. She even learned to delicately open the little flap with her teeth so she can get access to the treat compartment.
Good girl.
Our oldest husky typically prefers the brute force method of solving these toys, but eventually she figured it out too and got herself some of her favorite treats without any assistance. Now that they've got the hang of it, we could set this out and let the dogs entertain themselves for a bit while we get some work done. You can use this for food and slow feed your dogs. But our girls have fun with the treats and makes it all the more fun when we do it. I was really hoping they would be able to figure out this toy, and I was so excited to see them do it by themselves. This is something we're going to be using on the regular for sure. So if you'd like to test your dog's IQ as well and give them something fun to do on their own, then this dog puzzle toy might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go play with my dog some more. See ya. What this is an IQ test, and they're not passing.
I'm about to say.